Donkey Kong, look at what we just got. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god. Flaming helmet. Noble Team statue! Black box? Dr. Halsey's journal? Elites Evolved? Gear Up? Holy sh**! This is the best game ever! Alright, alright, alright! Let's unbox it! Okay, let's go! Oh my god! This is the greatest thing ever! The moment of truth. That's some good stuff right there. Let's get this thing out of here. Should we still open it? Yes, let's go! Oh my god. This is the coolest game ever. Naked ladies! God. I don't know what that is. But dude, let's look at the video game. Okay. This is freaking awesome. I know. Let's go.
Luigi, what are you doing?
Noble 7.
Oh my sweet baby Jesus! The Noble Team statue!
This is awesome! Oh my god! Why is that dude following me? His head's on fire! Oh my god! He disappeared. Hey, there he goes again! Where'd he go? Whoa, there's a beast. Bye bye. Halo Reach, it's the best game ever!